Ramadan Mubarak. Do you know the exact way to make your Sehri and Iftar Duas? Many of us get confused about the timing. Let's make it super simple and Sunnah-focused. Part 1. Sehri, the pre-dawn meal. The Sunnah here is incredibly easy. Your intention to fast is a firm decision in your heart. You don't need to recite a specific Arabic formula out loud. Before you start eating your Sehri, simply say, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. The intent, while eating, just have the clear intention in your heart that you are fasting today for Allah. Part 2. Iftar, breaking the fast. Now for Iftar. There are 2 parts to this, and here is the perfect Sunnah way, step by step. Step 1. Before eating.
While waiting for the adhan, make your personal duas.
This is a powerful time for acceptance. You can also recite,
Allahumma inni laka sumtu, wa bika amantu, wa ala rizqika aftartu.
O Allah, I fasted for you, believed in you, and I break my fast with your provision. Step 2. The moment of Iftar. When the time arrives, say Bismillah and take a bite of a date or a sip of water. Step 3. After the first bite or sip. This is the Sunnah many people miss. Once you have swallowed the water and your thirst is quenched, recite this authentic dua.
ذهب الظمأ وابتلت العروق وثبت الأجر إن شاء الله. The thirst has gone, the veins are moistened, and the reward is confirmed if Allah wills.